Good day to you all. This is the Engineering Practices Laboratory, Group B, Experiment 6, Study of Fan with Regulator, Iron Box and Emergency Lamp. So for in this experiment, if we need some basic requirements, AC power supply, fan regulators, iron box and emergency lamp, we have to study the internal components of fan regulators, iron box and emergency lamp for in this experiment. So this is a study experiment. We are going to dismantle for fan, iron box and emergency lamp, and what are all the components are available inside for that particular equipments and the function of the equipments. Okay. So before that, we have to know about the wiring diagram of each and every components. Okay. So this is a wiring diagram of ceiling fan. So this is a ceiling fan. So through this AC power supply phase will be connected into the one point of regulators, and another point will be connected into the ceiling fan. And ceiling fan, another point, it will be connected into the AC power supply neutral point. Okay. So this is a simple wiring diagram of ceiling fans. So in this regulators, all of we know, so it is adjustable 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this is a controlling of speed. It is adjustable of the flowing of current and voltages for into the ceiling fan. Okay. So this is a wiring diagram of iron box. Laterally we have to clearly explain for what are all the components available for inside of the iron box and how it will be works. That and all explain you later by Karthikeyan sir. So this is a wiring diagram of iron box. Okay. Okay. So this is a wiring diagram of emergency lamp. So in this emergency lamp, mainly we have to use for one power converter circuits, and then one battery, and then one LED lamp, and relay circuits we have to use. So that and all also explain you later in physical manner. Okay, physical components.
Today we can see study of electrical components. In this video we are going to see iron box. So the iron box is an device which convert the electrical energy into the heat energy. So as per the electromagnetic induction principle, if we are giving the power supply to the heating coil, that will convert the energy, electrical energy into the heat energy. This is the heating coil. If we are giving the power supply to this element phase and neutral, this will be get heated due to the. So if the heating coil gets fully heated, automatically the bottom also get heated due to the heat transfer. So there are the three parts. One is a heating coil, another will be the power supply indicator. If you are providing the power supply, automatically the indicator will on. So you will get the power supply is inside of the iron box. You will get from this indication. Then it can be transferred to the heating coil by using the adjustable resistor. This is the adjustable resistor. If you are giving the power supply connected here, the output is connected with this coil, the neutral is directly connected. So if we adjust this resistor, automatically the current flow through the particular heating coil also control. Due to the controlling purpose, we will adjust the heat also. In this way, the iron box will working in our domestic application. We can see the study of emergency lamp. So the emergency lamp have major three parts. One is on battery, another one is on power supply driver circuit, another one is on lamp. So now we are giving the power supply, AC power supply to the power supply board, that can be stepped down by using the step down transformer. The input 230 volt supply is stepped down to the 12 volt AC power supply by using this transformer. This 12 volt AC supply is given to the bridge rectifier. So the bridge rectifier having the 4 diodes anti-parallel connection, then which is connected with the voltage regulator IC. Here the 12 volt AC supply is converted into the 6 volt DC supply, because the battery capacity is 6 volt 10 Ah battery. So as per the battery capacity, we are going to convert the power supply 230 AC supply into the 6 volt DC power supply. Then that DC power supply is charged by using the battery. If the battery is charged now, automatically this battery's output is connected with the lamp. When by using the these switches, if you switch on the switch, automatically the lamp will glow. So this is the DC lamp. There are three fault may be occur. One is an battery not properly charged. At that time, we can change the battery now. Automatically, the life period of the emergency lamp will take another 2 years. And one more thing, the battery is okay as well as lamp is okay. If it's not properly charged now, we have to change the power supply driver board. Another 2 years without any interruption, you can get the power supply. No need to throw off the entire emergency lamp. Another one thing, the battery also okay, then power supply unit also okay. If the lamp is not glow now, we have to verify the lamp. If any fuse in this lamp now, that won't glow. So at that time we can replace the lamp only. We can utilize the battery again. But that means we can use the same emergency lamp once again. So these are all the emergency lamp wiring setup. In this way we can study the emergency lamp as well as iron box, then ceiling fan also. We are going to see study of ceiling fan, iron box and emergency lamp. First of all, we are going to see ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is working on the electromagnetic induction principle. As per the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, whenever a current carrying conductor placed on a magnetic field which experiences the force, as per the principle here, this is a closed path. We are going to apply the power supply to the particular running winding. Automatically that will act as an current carrying conductor. The starting winding will be act as an electromagnetic, that means electromagnet. So due to the electromagnetic induction principle, current carrying conductor placed on a magnetic field which experiences a force. So the motor will start to rotate. This is the starting winding, this is the running winding. If you are giving the power supply as per the energy conservation law, the motor will start to rotate. So here the parts of the ceiling fan is bearing, coil, then blades and also capacitor. Now we are using the single phase induction motor, and particularly single phase capacitor start induction motor. At the time of starting, the capacitor is used here. So there are three fault may be occur in the ceiling fan. One is the coil will be failed. At the time the black shadow, like you know, the black color will be framed in the particular coil because of burning process. So we can replace the winding coil, entire winding coil. We can utilize the fan again. That's a rewinding process. Then somewhat noises may be occur during the running condition. At that time, the bearing, we have to verify the both bearing. If you replace any one or your two bearing now, automatically the fan will run smoothly. And one more thing, the fan will rotate slowly. At the time, we have to verify the condenser of the particular fan by using the providing the power supply, AC power supply to the capacitor. If you short the capacitor now, automatically the spark may be occur. The spark is heavy, the capacitor is okay. If spark becomes low or spark is not available now, the capacitor get failure. We can replace the capacitor. The particular fan will rotate at the rated speed. So these are all the faults may be occur in this ceiling fan. In this way, we are going to study of ceiling fan. Next we will see the iron box.